Dear students, in this module we are going to discuss what is a computer. So, a computer is essentially a machine that can process information. So, we can say basically computer is a information processing machine. Now, what a computer does? A computer actually takes raw data, manipulates it according to some set of instructions, and then produces some kind of output. So actually what a computer does is that it takes some input in the form of raw data, manipulates it, process it, and then produce some kind of output based on those instructions. We can imagine a computer like a super powered calculator that can handle much more complex tasks than just adding and subtracting numbers. Next, how a computer functions. Basically, a computer relies on two main parts to function. There is hardware and software. Coming to the hardware part of the computer, hardware actually refers to the physical components of the computer, like the CPU, that is the central processing unit, which acts as the brain of the computer. Then another physical component is the RAM, that is short for random access memory. For short-term storage, it is also called primary storage. Then there is the storage drives for long-term storage. This is the secondary memory. And finally, the input-output devices like the keyboard, mouse, monitor and printer. Here the keyboard and mouse are input devices, while the monitor and printer are the output devices. So all these physical components comprise the hardware of the computer. Next is the software part of the computer. This actually represents the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. It's like a recipe for the computer. We have actually different types of software available. One is operating system, which manages the computer's resources. Another is application softwares. These are programs designed for specific tasks like web browsing or gaming. And finally, we have programming languages that are used to create new software. Programming languages examples include C++, C#, Java, Python. These languages are actually used by the developers to create new software. So we can summarize what exactly is a computer. A computer is actually a combination of hardware and software working together to process information. By working together, hardware and software allow computers to perform a wide range of tasks, from simple calculations to complex simulations, and even creative endeavors like graphic design and music production. So computer is a very useful machine in today's world, and its uses are going to multiply day by day in the future. So students, this was a brief introduction to what exactly is a computer.